You finally woke up.
Thank you for saving me.
Why did you fall into the river?
I hadn't eaten for days, so I fell into the river from exhaustion.
That's so pitiful. Come work as a nanny at my house. At the very least, you'll never go hungry. So beautiful. This is a poor girl. I've asked her to come work as our nanny.
What a poor girl. Well, all right then. Why does she get to be the mistress while I can only be the nanny?